watch the breakdown.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a product review on a new deep conditioner I'm trying out. It's this product right here by Shea Moisture. I heard great things about this product, so I decided to give it a go. So right now I just washed my hair, so it's freshly washed and slightly detangled. So I'm going to show you how I apply the product. I'm going to go wash it out and then I will review the product. All right, stay tuned. Hey y'all, so I just came back from washing the product out of my hair. So I had a plastic bag over my head with a microfiber towel and I let that sit for about an hour, and then I rinse it out of my hair with warm water and then cool water to finish it off to close out all of my cuticles. So I can say after rinsing it out, my hair was very soft. So I can tell that my curls did bounce back from some of the heat damage I did have previously. And that is actually one of the claims, that it does repair your hair from heat damage and other things that can damage your hair. So I am pretty impressed with this product. I would say that it does have a funny smell to it. It doesn't smell very good. It smells like clay, although there are tons of benefits in the product. It has organic shea butter, Jamaican black castor oil, and peppermint. So I would say that those products don't smell very good but are very beneficial to your hair. This also has apple cider vinegar as well, and I could tell that my scalp is actually cleaner from using the apple cider vinegar in this product. So if you are thinking about using this product, I would definitely give it a try. I got this from Sally's and it was, I think, $10.99 because I had a discount. Always go to stores that have discounts, by the way, like Ulta and Sally's, even Walmart. They always have discounts on these products. So anyways, definitely give it a try. And also in the comments, let me know if you've tried this conditioner and other conditioners that you like as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe, and like this video for me. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.